5433 1800 875.
Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a 2009 Mercedes-Benz E63 with just 52,000 miles. We got the car on auction. It had some front damage and the bumper was missing in the front. So that has been replaced with all original OEM parts. The headlight was also replaced along with the bar here that came from another parts car, and this piece was a little bit bent, so I had it, so we put it on. The radiators and everything is original. The hood was changed also. This came out of a parts car. It was restored and painted here at our body shop. As you see, It's an immaculate paint job. I got the car because of the low mileage and because I had a bumper laying around. So, as you know, these are very expensive bumpers. Figured might as well use it because it's gonna go to waste. If you Google the VIN number, you'll be able to find pictures of the vehicle prior to repairs when there was an accident. So there was no frame damage or airbags deployed, but the grille got damaged, corner of the hood here, the headlight, the bumper wasn't there, so luckily I had one with all the grills and lights, so that's all new. It's got original new blinkers and chrome strips, those are brand new. And the front grille here on the bottom is also new. And the grille here is also brand new, along with the, I think we also replaced the emblem. But it's all been done using original parts. And as you see, we deal a lot with Mercedes. I'm kind of famous for that here in New England. Beautiful example. It will be priced accordingly. The cars are very expensive with low mileage, but since this has had a boo-boo before, the price will be reduced. And also, one thing I wanted to mention is that the car was garaged. Reason being, you'll notice that all the trim is very dark, so the car did not spend time outside. And all the interior trim pieces, wood, leather and so on, is very much like it came out of the factory. So when it comes to the door seals not cracking and all these rubbers, they're beautiful. For comparison, I can show you a car that came out of Florida that has been sitting out a lot. So this is usually how these cars look. If you notice, the trim is a lot lighter and all the rubbers do crack. It really depends on where the car was stored. So even from, see how gold that is, and the rubber's cracking. So even from pictures, I was able to tell that this car was, you know, cared for, and it's sat in somebody's garage. It's a garage baby. Somebody took out and had a small accident. I got it because I love these things. I love how they drive. I love the sound of the V8, and they just don't make them anymore. You know, it's going to be 4-cylinder turbos from this point out. It's very cold outside. The car has been warmed up, don't worry. I had this thing running for about half an hour. Beautiful, beautiful car. I think I turned the blinker on. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Watch more of my videos, see what we're all about. And this is one of those that I will remember for the rest of my life. Not too many of these around. Thanks for watching, guys.